Welcome back. I'm Jamie, and in today's video I have a Hermes unboxing of 2 items to reveal, and this is from last week's video where I did my Chicago shopping vlog. Now I will say that my Hermes essay, she's pretty amazing because she just knows my style. She tends to pick out items that she knows that I would really love to add to my collection, and I'm excited to share with you guys. This is the notebook cover. It comes in the brown shade and it's in the medium size. I've had the notebook covers from Louis Vuitton, so I'm actually excited to try something different. I think this is the perfect size in the medium, as it's not too small, but big enough to still write some notes and fit into a lot of my handbags.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be.
We have the Kelly belt with the beautiful brown and the rose gold hardware. I love this pairing.
My favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be
And you guys know that I've talked about the rose gold hardware. I think it looks just a beautiful combination. Okay guys, what did you think of my reveal? I really love both items. They're just very functional and chic items I'm going to use day in and day out. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you in my next video.